Good morning and welcome to Super at 60. I'm Darlene. I'm so excited today. I'm so super excited today. One of my dear friends on YouTube is celebrating 50,000 subscribers, guys. 50,000 people subscribed to the channel and love watching the channel, okay? That's a lot of people. I just hit 1,000. Yay! I need all this confetti to come down. Let's just pretend for a second. Let's have a moment here. All right, well, this channel made 50,000 of those, okay? Yes, so it is worth celebrating. And I will tell you at the very end who this YouTube maker, creator is. I have a feeling some of you may know, but some of you may not. And if you don't, you need to go over there and find out why 50,000 subscribers want to subscribe to this channel. So this is a no-bake chocolate chip cheesecake. Yes, a cannoli cheesecake. Now, I don't know if it's cheesecake that she loves, but I do know that it's a cheesecake her family member loves. So I saw the recipe and I thought, I need to do something extra special with this recipe. And that's why we're doing it today. And I am so glad that you're here. Yes, I'll see you later. Okay, my pie crust is sitting in the refrigerator and will sit in there for about an hour, till you can get the filling done and whatever you have to do around the house, just go and do it and then fill her up, okay? And then the pie can sit for about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours. You can even put it in your freezer if you want to. That'll be just fine. Oh, can you imagine a piece of that after it's been frozen for just a little bit out on a hot back porch or front porch or somewhere, with a glass of lemonade or iced tea? Oh yeah, see, I'm just going all off here. Hey, this is a special recipe and a very special day, so let's show some respect here, right? All right, let's get on to the filling. What I have in my mixer right here is 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese. And so let me turn you down so that you can see everything that I'm doing for the filling of this beautiful no-bake cannoli chocolate chip pie. All right, my 2 bricks of cream cheese are in my mixer and I've been just mixing and mixing. Just like that. Okay, you want to make sure that you have mixed this really, really well, and I strongly suggest that you make sure that your cream cheese is nice and room temperature because it will just make this process go so much faster. So just stick them out on the counter for an hour or so. They'll be fine. Go upstairs, brush your teeth, get all dressed for the day, and come down and start this pie, and you'll be so happy you put that cream cheese out. All right, there it is. Beautiful. We're going to start now from here, okay? We need 1 cup of confectionery sugar. Oops, and there it goes. Okay, just like that. And slowly now, because confectionery sugar has a tendency to just fly all over the place. Doesn't matter where it lands. It matters to me, but it doesn't matter to the confectionery sugar. So just go slowly at first. It's gonna pick up all the confectionery sugar. And this is what I do. I have a nice little, I don't know, right now I'm just using my 2-cup Pyrex measuring cup here. And I just stick my, my spatula in there just to keep things nice and neat. All right, looks like it's mixed up really well and it can be ready to be whipped up a little bit. Right now it looks a little bit like cream cheese frosting. All right, let's give it a look and give it a mix. Make sure there's no chunks anywhere. Honestly, this is a very, very quick recipe. Now don't skip that step of putting your crust in the refrigerator for about an hour. You can make the crust at night, perhaps the night before, go to bed. Wake up in the morning and it is more than ready. Can't hurt it, okay? And that is nice and fluffy and ready to accept the rest of the ingredients. And now we're going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest. You know cannolis have a little bit of orange zest in them. Yeah. Hey, look, this is an Italian family you're dealing with here. We know our cannolis, and it's very hard for me to not turn this into a cannoli. Take your little bag and squirt it in one side and then squirt it in the other and then dip it in whatever, you know. So, all right, so orange zest is going in. The ricotta cheese is right here in front of me and I'm gonna put that in. And that is, for ricotta cheese, you're gonna put in about 1/4 cup, okay? About 1/4 cup. So, let's see, am I right about that? 3/4 cup. I'm sorry. So this was about 1/2 cup, and then I just heaped it really well, and it comes out to about 3/4 cup. Okay, so there we go. The one thing I did not get out and get ready for you, and I'm so sorry here, I was being all professional and everything. And I left out the daggum cinnamon. Okay, that's what I was looking for. And I forgot it. And cinnamon, let's see, I think I'm gonna use about 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, that'll work just fine. 1/4 teaspoon is right here. Boy, that's hardly anything, isn't it? 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, and do not go overboard on any of these ingredients, okay? Don't you've seen me many times if I'm making something and it splashes over like vanilla or, I don't know, anything. Cinnamon is a strong flavor, so just be careful of that, okay? We've got our zest in there, confectionery sugar, we have our cinnamon in there, we have our ricotta cheese in there, and in here I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla, okay? That's my homemade vanilla, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and only a half teaspoon of rum flavoring, okay? Don't leave that out. And we're gonna put that right in, okay? I know someone's gonna ask, can I leave the rum out? Not because it's alcohol, they just don't prefer the rum flavoring. Of course you can, of course you can. All right, and we're gonna start it slow, always start it slow. Oh, it's already starting to look like cannoli filling. I am not even kidding. All right, I'm gonna crank it up just a little bit. Oh, you know, this smell reminds me of Christmas time, because if I were gonna make cannolis, it'd be for Christmas time. Looking awfully good. All right, now the one thing left to do is a 1/2 cup of mini chips. You know, the ends of a cannoli are usually dipped in something. It could be dipped in, they just kind of go 1, 2, dip it in the ends. Many times it's these mini chocolate chips. They're going in right now. Many times it's sprinkles, just cute little sprinkles, which is what I may do today. And many times the most traditional kind of little things that they put on the end of their cannolis is chopped, I can't get it out, pistachios. And that's probably my favorite way. If I'm dreaming of the perfect cannoli, it would be one side dipped in pistachios and the other side dipped in fun sprinkles. Yeah, I think that would be so much fun. So anyway, here we go. Let's get those chocolate chips in there. Yep, right now we got the filling for a cannoli. All right, that's good. You don't want to just whip it to death. All right, let's get it off here. All right, I am going to just get this all mixed in together here. Make sure it's all scraped down for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, this crust has been sitting in the refrigerator. It is all nice and set up. That melted butter that you put in through there, that runs all through the crust, is now set up and nice and firm again. That's what happens when you put melted butter in the refrigerator for a while. It firms back up again. All right, and here's our filling. It is delicious. And I'm gonna just put it right into our pie, just like that. A little bit here, a little bit there. Okay. Oh, so beautiful. It's really a beautiful pie. It makes such a lovely, lovely presentation on a really hot, sweltering summer night, or any time really. I mean, Christmas time too, with Christmas sprinkles on it. Wouldn't that be lovely to bring out to the table? All right, a little bit on the bottom here. I am one for scraping the bowl. My mom was like that, so it's a learned thing. All right, let's spread it around, nice and beautiful. Oh, it is so beautiful. All right, when I'm done here, I'm gonna set some sprinkles on it, of course. I wish I had pistachios, but I do not. When I was first learning to cook and bake, I watched so many PBS cooking videos. My goodness. I learned a lot from those videos, a lot. So if somebody out there is learning something from one of my videos, like how to make a no-bake cannoli pie, here you go. You wanna smooth it out. All right, oh, it's so beautiful. All right, clean fingers, because I just washed up everything. All right, I'm gonna put this aside, wipe off my fingers. All right, a few more little chips. I'm gonna sprinkle them on top. Just a few, you don't wanna overdo here. And then some sprinkles, okay? A lot of sweet little sprinkles. I love sprinkles on celebrations. I don't think it's a celebration without two things you gotta have, well, three. Balloons, sprinkles on something, whether it's a cake or cupcakes or a cannoli pie, and people, friends, family. That makes a celebration, yeah. Okay, that is one gorgeous pie. Yay! All right, are you ready for the reveal of who the YouTuber is that this is made for? Stay right there. Well, that was so much fun. That pie is absolutely delicious. And now I'm gonna reveal to you who just hit 50,000 subscribers. People just like you. I know for a fact that many of you already know her. But truly, like I said at the beginning, if you don't, you need to just hop right on over there and press that subscribe button and press that bell and push the like, just like I ask you to do on my channels. Please go over there. And, drum roll, this very special person is Leslie. Yes, Leslie over at the Farming Pastor's Wife. She is adorable. She truly is. Just watching her videos alone, she just takes you right in. You know, she just makes you feel special and warm, and she just makes you want to be her friend. You just kind of want to sit in the kitchen with her. And speaking of kitchens, whoa, wait till you see her new kitchen. Brand new, spanking new kitchen. Yeah. She deserves it. She's worked hard, so hard, and I couldn't be more proud of you, Leslie. Thank you. Thank you for creating content that has such deep meaning and has such good cooking. Yeah, so this cannoli pie, I know cannolis aren't your favorite thing, but I happen to know that there is one family member that truly loves cannolis. And this is for your precious son, Isaac. Isaac. I just have to say it like she says it. I think that's a capital I with a dash and S-I-C-K. Isaac. 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 Yeah, I could just hear her yelling for him when he was a little boy. Isaac, you come over here, Isaac. Yeah, she says Isaac. She does, Isaac. So anyway, that sweet little Southern accent. If you don't know her, please go know her. Yes, she's adorable. And her whole family, it's just a sweet, sweet ride she takes you on. And I'm so grateful to know her. So Leslie, you know what? This pie is phenomenal. Bye now. Love you all. Lord bless. How is it, little buddy? How is it?
Can you say it tastes good?
He has a smile on his face. So everybody, what do you think? How is it?
It's phenomenal.